Sierra Precision Painting is dedicated to excellence in every detail. We power wash the entire house, including all eaves and soffits, to remove all dirt and grime. We take the cleaning process to the next level by applying a high-quality wood detergent to remove and lighten any and all water stains. Our expert staff takes great care properly masking to protect all rockwork, windows, and fixtures during the hand brushing stain application. We hand brush one coat of high-quality transparent stain on all wood siding, trim, fascia, beams, post, deck surfaces, and wooden garage doors. Hand brushing is the best method to apply stain, ensuring a very even coat. This process enables us to read the wood and apply the proper amount of stain as needed. We go the extra mile to provide a full window cleaning service to expertly finish off our work.